Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will tell you how you can create pixel in your business setting and how that pixel you can attach your website or Shopify website, any website. So first of all, we will open our business ads manager account and then click on all tool and click on event manager. So now here is the pixel that I have already created. Now I will tell you how you can create a new pixel and how you can attach that pixel to your website. So simply click on this green button, connect data source. So here Facebook will know about that pixel that you want to create your pixel for your website or app or offline or CRM. So I want to create pixel for my website. So I will click on website and click on connect. So here are two options. First one is Facebook conversion API. The second one is Facebook pixel. So I will click on Facebook pixel and click on connect. So connect website activity usually pixel. So I will simply click on continue. So here if you want to know about pixel name, so I will create new online p. So here this portion is optional, but you have to connect your website. So I will open my website. So this is the URL of website. So from here I will copy the link of this website. You have to paste that URL here and click on continue. So here is two options. First of all is manually add pixel code to your website. The second one in use a partnership integration. So here you can add your WordPress or other website. So I will simply cross this because I will attach the pixel from my Shopify store. So now I will tell you how you can attach that pixel to your website. So open your store and click on preferences, scroll down and you will get that Facebook pixel. So click on setup Facebook, attach your Facebook ID, click on connect access, will attach your Facebook, give your Facebook account password here. Now click on continue as your account Facebook account. So your account is connected, you can see now. Next step is you have to connect your Facebook Ads Manager account. So arrays to add account, you can create many and you can connect any of these as you want. The next step is you have to add your Facebook page. Now you have to add your Facebook ad account. Here you can see that there are two ad account. In your case, maybe there are one or two or select any one of these. Now I have selected this one and connect. Click on connect. Now the second thing is that the error of this is due to the payment verification. Now here is three option. You have to click on maximum, and these are the pixel that you have created. You can see that all pixel are present here, and if you we will see in your Facebook ad manager here is 6 pixel. Any of these you can attach with your website, but keep in your mind that you have to attach only one pixel with your website, otherwise website will be confused. So select any one of these as you wish. You can select anyone. I will select pixel H and click on connect. The last thing that if you will confirm your payment method in your Facebook ad manager, mm, the confirm option will be enabled. Click on enable and Facebook targeted country you will select the last option, and you have to